Okay, so now I've got this tag sewn. It doesn't look perfect in the back because I guess I just didn't sew perfectly straight, but you know, when you're doing it on this end, it's kind of hard to see, you know. But anyway, I love it. I like that it's a little bit wonky that way. Just to me, it adds, you know, more of a human touch. So I'm gonna go with it. And I love it right there. I think it looks really, really pretty. So now I'm using this really pretty iridescent glitter. It's really fine glitter, and I actually had it as part of a little kit that was supposed to be in the jewelry making department at, I believe, Hobby Lobby or Michael's. It's been a while. I don't remember now, but so now I'm making what I would like to think is some icicles. And so what I'm doing is, as you can tell, just kind of laying the hot glue kind of in the shape of what I would think icicles might look like when they are dripping down from like a ledge on a window or a rooftop or something like that. And so I am going to go ahead and do that. I think I make about 3 of these if I'm not mistaken. I don't particularly love my hot glue gun. I've had it for a while, but I'm not sure if it's the lack of practice because this is the first time I do this. So, but I think it turns out good. Okay, so now I'm back and I'm trying to get a little container ready here to use for putting away the excess. I'm not sure if that's gonna work well. Okay, that's not too terrible. Pretty good, if I say so myself, as far as getting this glitter to kind of save it a little bit here. So this little container, that's kind of worked out with this plate. Okay, so I like that. I like not having a enormous uncontrollable mess. That's always nice, not typical. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cover this for right now because like I said, it is, yeah, getting kind of interesting. You know, this glitter is so fine, it just like sticks to your finger, and I'm not even sure if you can wash it off that well. That's going to be an interesting thing to see. But okay, so let's see how this thing came out. Supposedly you're supposed to be able to just peel it right off the glass. Okay, so this didn't adhere. It's hard for me to see if it adhered really well. Let's see, maybe I need to put this over a different background that's not white. Okay, so I had already started working on my journal the other day, and I made this really pretty spread here with this. Let me see if I can move the camera a little bit. Make it show a little bit better. Okay. So then look how cute this is. You open the doors and you got a Santa and a tree. And I kind of wanted to do something on the inside here, but thought it might be too bulky. It's already a little bulky there for the center of the signature, but I thought that was really, really cute. And so what I wanted to do was put something like this on here, like possibly like icicles, which I think kind of look kind of cute. So I wanted to put some here maybe and some here, you know, something like that. So I am liking that idea. Let's see, let me see what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, I think that's gonna be really cute to do that. So I'm gonna probably do that because I do like it, although I feel like I might like this one better. Yeah, so I do like that one better. So That's kind of cute. So another center, let's see, well, not really a center, but yeah, I guess that's about, I feel like there's another place that I did something really cute that I wanted to show. Oh yeah, it was this here is so pretty. And I could probably do that, but that might be overkill. That may be too much, so, because this is already so pretty, you just don't want to keep adding to that. So as we approach the end of this episode, I want to thank you again for joining me, and I hope that you will stay tuned for the next episode. If you would like to continue to watch, be sure and hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and be sure and set your notifications to all, and that way you will get the next video as I make it for you. So give me a like, a thumbs up if you like this video, and be sure and comment below if there's anything that you would like to comment about. It's very encouraging. Thank you all. Love you so much. Love you so much.